Say good morning.
Right there. Wait. You wait for that?
Alright, fine. You talk until then. You got show what kind of yogurt, yo?
Banana. See the little bananas on there? It's low fat.
And how do you expect that to taste? How's your breakfast?
I know, that's what I'm saying. I'm just trying to call you.
I mean, watery.
Well, since, you know, Bahama Mom was on the phone, what do you want to say to them?
To who?
The audience.
Nigga, it's too early for this.
Oh, well.
Hi, everybody. I'm just finished eating a really big plate.
Bloop, bloop. Bloop, bloop. This is my food. Oh, yeah. She said, oh, yeah.
So you were just like the pancakes.
Oh, cook it. Do the cooking dance. Or cook it. Spaghetti. I want some spaghetti. Alright, eggs. Alright, pancake.
Spaghetti.
Alright, say bye.
Bye-bye.
My nigga, he said bye. Pepto Bismol.
Later.
Bye, you guys.